Now going over to question number 5, here we have another vocab or word choice question where you want to invent your own word to fill the space before you look at the answer choices. By the way, if you need help developing your vocab for the SAT, you can go to our website and click on vocab. So here, let's read so we can invent our own word. For an exhibition, this person blanked a series of new images based on a series of posters from the 70s, which featured black children from Chicago. The person photographed the now adult models and layered the photos over magnified images of the models' cells, resulting in what he called micro and macro portraiture. So we're talking about an art form where this photographer and neurobiologist created a series of new images. Now, the first way through, I didn't read the words photographer and neurobiologist. Of course, I read them. At Grateful, we're big believers that there's a huge difference between your visual brain and your auditory brain. So just because your eyes see something doesn't mean you want to let your inner monologue read it. You want to kind of gloss over all the names, dates, places, and little details like that the first way through. Then you can circle back later and get any details you need. But if you're too zoomed in and overly focused in the beginning, what you'll miss is the most important thing, which is the overall main idea. Here, it's nice and easy. This photographer and neurobiologist created this series of images. So let's go ahead and look at the answer choices. A says validated. To validate something is to prove how true it is, which is different than simply creating. B, created. Speak of the devil. So far, we have 3 times where the word we created on our own exactly matched the answer choices. C, challenged. To challenge someone or something is different than creating or authoring something. And D, restore. Restoring is taking something old and making it seem like new again. You can restore a classic car, for instance. And so obviously that's different. And once again, the answer here is B.